Hi everyone, my name is Swati Soni. I'm a product manager by profession and I love creating functional pieces of software. Today we are going to learn how to send an email to a form respondent when they submit a Google form. Also, we are going to add a discount code in the email as well as store that discount code in our response spreadsheet. Okay, so basically the use case is if you have um, somebody, if you want to send discount codes to somebody when they submit a particular form, this is where you can use it. So let's check it. So I'm going to, so this is a form which currently has only two fields, the email and the name. So for testing, that's all we need. Let's do this. So when I submit this form, I should get an email to this email ID with a discount code. Let's see. This is my email ID. We refresh here. So we have an email from discount code and that's we have coded. And the email says, thank you for submitting. Hi Swati, thank you for submitting your response. Here's your code. Regards, everything. So let's see how can we create this. So what we'll do here is we will create a new blank form. I'm going to title this discount code generator. Email is already there. I am just adding question here as name to become a short answer question. We publish this form. Then we go to responses. We link it to sheets, the code, which I'm just giving it a name. We'll create it. Okay, so this is your form response sheet. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to create another column called discount code. This is where we will store the discount code for every response. Then we will go to extensions, your app script editor. So here we will write the script to get the form response via trigger, generate a unique code, and then send email to my respondent. So I already have a script here. We're going to copy the whole thing and paste it here. I'll explain it to you. Going to copy it as code gen. Okay. So first thing is get the ID of the spreadsheet. So here, this is the spreadsheet ID from the URL, and I'll replace this ID with my spreadsheet ID. Okay. Then the name of the sheet is form responses. So we'll create another variable, open the spreadsheet by ID, get sheet by name, form responses 1. Okay. So now we have a function on form submit. We will call this function whenever a form is submitted. First, let us save this. For that, we will have to add a trigger here. Let's add a trigger. We want to run the function on form submit from spreadsheet. Event is on form submit, and we save it. So this will first ask me for permissions. So click on advanced, click on group, give these permissions, allow. Okay, so the trigger is created. We go back to our editor. Now this function on form submit would be called every time a form is submitted. And E holds the response values. So we create a variable response which store all the named values. uh, and we know name and email address are the two values. So I'll store name and email in these two variables. Um, we don't have to log the name and email right now. Okay, so now we have gotten the response values from the form. Now we have to generate the code. So for that I have written a function generate code. You can copy this code. This is basically just some random number generator. I've generated some random number with and appended with some values. Now, first we will add that code in our response sheet, in our spreadsheet. So rs sheet dot get range dot last row and last column and set value code. So this is how we'll set the code. Now we are ready to create the email. So just write whatever you want. In subject, I have thank you for your response. In body, I have included the name like this. This is not right. Yeah. So we have created the subject, we have created the body, we have the name, and we have the email. So now we will use Gmail app.send email, email subject, and body. And you can also have some more options. So in the name display, instead of showing my email, I want to show discount code. So I've added that as well. So I think so this is ready. I will save it. I will run it once. It has given me some issues because okay. So let's submit the form and then we will see whether it's working or not. So I go to my form. It is published. I will get the responder link here. Write the email. Sorry. Name. Submit. Let's see if it has worked or not. I'll go to the executions. It has said that it has executed everything. This is the discount code. So you can see it has stored the email address, name, and the discount code. Let's see whether we have gotten the email or not. Great. So this is the email that we have received. So yeah, this is how it works. In case if it doesn't work, what you can do is you can go to the executions, if see whether the execution has failed or not. There might be chances the execution gets failed because the Gmail service has not been added. In that case, just click on the reason why it is failed, and here if it shows it will tell you if some more permissions are required. You just click on that and just give whatever permissions are required. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share this script in the description box below, and let me know if you have any questions. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you.